Uh, Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about 2016 O-level paper, second paper. Then I will explain how to write the proper answers for the questions, right? Therefore, study the writing patterns, study how to write the proper answer with the given time, right? Next, you can understand your weak points and study the lessons again and try to do the questions again, right? This is the best opportunity to develop your level, right? Okay, now we can start our lesson 2016 O-level paper, question number 1, right? Question number 1, it's with the graph, right? It's very famous question. Normally, question 1 or question 2 of the part A is a graph, right? Now you know the order of the questions, right? Therefore, you can understand the pattern of the question with the uh, question paper, right? This is the reality of the paper, right? Okay. Question number 1. An incomplete table prepared to draw the graph of the function y equal 4 minus x into x minus 2 is given below. Right, then you have to draw the table. No need to draw full table. You can draw a small, the missing part of the table and fill in the blank, right? Question number 1. Uh, you are known term x1. What is y? x1, what is y? Y equal 4 minus x into x minus 2. Y equal 4 minus x into x minus 2. Then substitute x equal 1. Then first answer y equal 4 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus minus 1 minus 2 also minus 1. Now the 4 plus 1, y plus 1 minus into the minus plus answer 5. In the answer is 5. First question answer is 5. Right. Ditula, can you understand this one? Okay, Puta, can you understand? Can you type your response? Puta, 2016 question number 1, paper number 2, right? 2016 O-level paper, question number 1, right? It's about a graph, right? Okay, right. Second one, using the small 10 small divisions as 1 unit along the x-axis and y-axis, draw the graph of the function on the graph paper. Right. Now, you have a table again x and y, right? X and Y is a table. Its values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and the -4, 1, 4, and we know the one is 5, 2, 1, -4. Right now, these are the table values. Now, we draw these values on the graph paper. Y, y values -4 to -4 to +5. +5 is the maximum value of y. Minimum value of y is -4. Then 5, 4, 3, or 2 by 2 we can write up. 10 small divisions as a 1 unit of right. 10 small divisions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Its value is +4 to -2. Uh, then it's -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now you can mark the coordinates on the Cartesian plane. 10 small divisions as a 1 unit, right? It is the scale. -2, -4. -2, -4, this point. -1, +1. -1, +1, this point. 0, 4. 0, 4. 1, 5. 1, 5. 2, 4. 2, 4. 3, 1. 3, 1. 4 -4. Right. Let's put you can draw the smooth curve with the points. Try to draw the smooth curve, right? Smooth curve with the coordinates, right? With the points, right? Then study about the axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. It's very easy, no? Find the range of the values of x, which y is decreasing in -4 to +1, right? The question number 3. Find the range of values of y decreasing. Y decreasing, right? So normally we start a graph using the left hand side. Is it the increasing part of the y function? Is it the decreasing part of the y function? Right? This is the increasing part of the function. This is the decreasing part of the function. Right now, uh, what is the y range? You have y range uh, -4 to +1. This is the y range -4 to +1. Then we can mark it -4. Sorry, -4 this range. This is a line of y equal -4 and y equal 1. y equal 1 line. Right, this is the y equal 1 line. This is y equal minus 4 line. But you have the equal sign now, then we draw a thick line through 1. This is not the equal sign, then dotted line through minus 4. But what is the x range? Decreasing, right? This is the increasing part, this is the decreasing part. No? Then this is the suitable graph. This is the suitable graph decreasing. This one to this decreasing, but this is the suitable graph decreasing between the two ranges. Then what is the x value of this point? It's 3. This point x value 4. But we cannot consider 4 value because you cannot consider this y equal minus 4 we cannot consider because no equal sign. But you can consider y equal 1 because you have the equal sign. Then uh, we write the range of x between like that between plus 3 we can consider like that and plus 4, but we cannot write the equal sign because you cannot take minus 4 for the solution. We cannot take plus 4 because this value we cannot consider because no equal sign. But this one you have equal sign, then you can consider plus 3. X coordinates, x coordinate of this graph, x coordinate of this point. These are the suitable points for the case, right? Then we write between 3 and 4, including 3. Right. Question number 4. Suppose the given function is written in the form of y equal minus x minus b squared plus q. Indicate the p and q on the graph as m. Right, Buddha? This is the point for m. Right? This is the turning point of the graph. We know the x coordinate of the turning point 1. Y coordinate is 5. 1 comma 5. Then e comma q coordinate are 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. Then we write the function like that. Right. Then m equal p comma q. Then 1 comma 5 are the coordinate of the m. Then p and p equal 1, q equal 5. P equal 1, q equals 5. Okay, then this is the answer. Right. Next question. Using the graph, find the positive value of x for the function x squared minus 2x equal 4. Find the first decimal place value. Right. Part number 5. X squared minus 2x equals 4. Right, find the positive value of this function. So now this is the function y equal 4 minus x into the x minus 2. Right, y equal 4 minus x into x minus 2. Try to expand this bracket. Assume y equals 0, right? 4 minus x into x squared minus plus 2. So change distance x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. These two functions are these two functions are equal. These two functions are equal. Then we can say the positive solution is the intersection point of the graph and the x-axis. We can consider this positive solution, this one. It is 3-point value. This is a negative solution, but this is a positive solution. Then we can say it is answer is positive solutions of positive 3-point value. We can read it using the graph paper. 3 point. 3.2 or 3.3. 3.2 or 3.3. Right. Now this is the full answer for the question number 1. Vidula, Sudha, can you understand the question? Vidula, can you understand? I think you can do these questions. Vidula, okay. Uh, can you type your response? Okay, the mark is point. Uh, okay. 1 mark for the question answer file and 1 mark for correct scale. 1 mark for correct scale. 1 mark for 6 points. And 1 mark for smooth curve. Smooth curve 1 mark. 1 mark for scale. 1 mark for the 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. But try to draw all the points, right? 6 point, 1 mark. 1 mark for this uh, 1 mark for these two values and 1 mark for this full inequality. 2 marks for the question. Right, next one. 2 marks for this M. Then we mark in 2 marks and 1 mark for this answer M equal 1 comma 5 and 1 mark for this case and 1 mark for 3.2. Right? Then you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? This one mark, right? 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 marks for the question number 2, right? Okay, now we can discuss the second question. Okay, Uta, shall I erase the note? Okay, complete your answer. Do you need time to write the answer? Vidula, shall I erase the note? Shall I erase the note or do you need a time? No need the time. Okay. Right. Question number 2. Yes, question number 2 is about information obtained from the survey conducted to find out how much time it takes for a doctor to examine a patient who arrives at the outpatients department of a certain hospital is given in the following table. 100 patients were used to survey. In the table, 2 to 4 denotes the time interval greater than 2 less than, and the other denotes similarly. Right. Now, Buddha, this is the question with the frequency distribution. Right. Try to draw the figure and you can find the answer. Right. Now, question number 2. Try to draw the table with the correct using the uh, class intervals, mid values, frequencies like that. It's very easy, no? Right. But you can do this question according to the uh, you can do this question according to the mean assumed mean sigma sigma FD, right? Sigma FD over sigma F plus A equal assumed mean, right? Okay, you can write the mean equal assumed mean plus sigma FD over sigma F. Then we can draw a table for the answers. First one, class intervals, class intervals, class intervals, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Next, mid values means x are 2, 4, 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5, 8, 6, 14, 14 divided by 2, 7, 8, 10, 18, 18 divided by 2, 9, 10, 12, 22, 22 divided by 2, 7, 12, 14, 26, 26 divided by 2, 30. Mid values. Next, deviation. Deviation means Buddha, we take the maximum frequency. What are the frequencies? Frequencies 19, 32, 37, 6, 4, 2. And we take the sigma fx, sigma f. Deviation we select for this one as 0. This one as 0 because the maximum frequency is this, the corresponding deviation 0, it is the method. Next 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 9 minus 7 plus 2, 11 minus 7 plus 4, 13 minus 7 plus 6. Then put the FD. Next column FD and sigma FD. sigma FD, right? 19 times 4, 19 times 4, 36 minus 76. 2 times 2, 4, 64 minus 0. 6 times 2, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 6, 12. Right? Which is the table for the answers. Right. Question number 1. Using the suitable assuming otherwise, find the mean time taken to by a doctor to examine the patient. Then, what the sigma f? 100 patients, 100. Sigma ft is sum. Negative sum means negative 10, 140. The positive value 10, 40. Then difference of the two answers is the sigma FD. It's and for plus 14 negative 140 answer 9 minus 100 minus 100 and minus 100. Then mean equal assumed mean plus sigma FD divided by sigma F. Mean equal assumed mean plus sigma FD divided by sigma F. Then mean equal assumed mean. Assumed mean means uh, this 37, sorry, the mid value of the model class. Mid value of the model class is assumed mean 7. Sigma ft minus 100 plus sigma f plus 100. 100 divided by 100 minus 1. 6. This is the mean time of the answer. 6 minutes. 6 minutes is the mean time, right? Find the mean time taken by a doctor to examine a patient. 6 minutes. Second one, find the percentage of the patients who were examined for more than the mean time. More than the mean time means the more than 6 minutes. More than 6 minutes, we can count these groups 1, 2, 3, 4. All are more than 6 minute times. Then we can count the sum of these patients. 36 plus 37 plus 6. Uh, 43, 43 plus 4, 47, 47 and 2, 49, right? 49. In this sum is 49, right? Uh, 37 plus 6, 43, 43 plus 4, 47, 47 and 2, 49. Then we can write the percentage 49 patients out of 100 multiplied by 100%, because total number of patients 100, then 100 cancelled. Answer 49%. 49%. Third one, find the number of right. Each doctor in this examine department examine a patient for 6 hours per day. Each doctor is experiment examine the patient 6 hours per day. Find the number of patients that can be examined by a doctor during the day. Therefore, the 6 hours is a time of one doctor, but 6 minutes take 6 minutes to examine a patient. Then how many patients? Number of patients equal 6 times 60. Why for that? We have to convert 6 hours to minutes. Divide by 6 minutes. 6 cancel 60 patients. 60 patients is the answer because one doctor takes 6 hours to examine patients. But for the mean time of a doctor, 6 minutes. Then how many patients? Then 60 patients because we have to convert 6 hours to the minute. 6 into 60 divided by 6. Answer 60 patients. Right. Question number 4. Estimate the minimum number of doctors requirement for the 400 patients who arrive at the outpatient department on a certain day. Estimate the minimum number of doctors. Then Putha, we know 60 patients. One doctor can check 60 patients. Now, how many doctors mean? We know 400 patients divided by 60. 0, 0 cancel. 40 divided by 6. 40 divided by 6 answer. Uh, 40 divided by 6. 6 and uh, 4 over 6. This is the mixed number. This is the 40 divided by 6 answer. 6 and 4 over 6. But we can simplify it. 6, 2 over 3. Right? Then normally we need the number of doctors. How? 400 divided by 60 because one doctor can check 60 patients. Therefore, we can find the number of doctors 400 divided by 60. 400 divided by 60 answer 6 2 upon 3. Right? Then what is the minimum number of doctors? No? Then Putha, we have to select more than 6 because this one 6 and 6.66 like that. Therefore, we have to use 7 doctors to examine the patients. 6 doctors not enough. 6 doctors are not enough because we have the value more than 6. Then we have to use 7 doctors is the answer. 7 doctors, right? Okay, now these are the answers for question number 2. Right, how about the marking points? 1 mark for mid-value column, 1 mark for mid-value column, 1 mark for FD column, 1 mark for sigma FD, 1 mark for this equation, and 1 mark for 6 minutes. 1 mark for 49%, 1 mark for the product of the 6 and 60, 1 mark for 60 patients, 1 mark for this division, 1 mark for 7 doctors. 10 marks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 marks, right? Okay. Vidula, can you understand the question? Okay, Putakas, complete your note. Next we can discuss the. Okay, next we can discuss the third question. First, complete your note. Complete your notebook. And next we discuss the third question. Right. Okay, Didula, shall we discuss the third question? Right. Now we discussed about a third question. Right. Study about the question. It is a statement type question. A computer which is sold for cash payment 80,000 can also be bought by making a down payment 20,000 and paying the rest 12 equally monthly installments. In this case, the interest is calculated on the reducing balance at an annual interest rate 24%. Calculate the value of a monthly installment. Right, Putha, now this is a question of the reducing balance method. You know your syllabus, your textbooks. You have a lesson with the reducing balance method. Right now, you can study the textbooks. Textbooks are very important for the best result. Therefore, you can study the examples of the reducing balance method. Now they ask find the monthly installment. Then we have to write the answer with the correct steps. You need to write the answer with the correct steps. Right? You have to practice the answers with the correct steps. What is the initial amount of the computer? What is the remaining amount? What is the balance of the computer? What is the down payment like that? How many months for the payments? What is the total number of month units? Right? Next interest for a 1 month. Next total interest for a month unit like that. Next we can find total amount. Next we can find the total monthly installment, right? Therefore, you have to write the answer in the proper steps. I will explain with this step by step. You can write the answer, right? Question number three, right, Buddha? Then there are 12 equal payments. No, first, what is the balance of the value, right? Balance rupees 80,000 minus rupees 20,000. This is the balance of the computer because 20,000 is a down payment, no? Then rupees 60,000. 60,000 is a down payment, right? Next, uh, what is the loan for a month? Loan for a month, rupees 60,000 divided by 12 because 12 equal months, no? Rupees 5,000. Because 12 divided by 12, 1, 6 divided by 12, 5. 5,000. Next one, interest. Interest for 1 month. Interest for 1 month. Rupees 5,000 into the uh, 24% is the interest rate for a year. But Putha, we have divided this one by 12 because it's the interest for a 1 year. Then 12 is 1, it's 2, double zero double zero cancel. 500, 550 into 2 rupees 100. This is the interest for a 1 month. This is the interest for a 1 month, right? Next for the month units. Month units is a very important. Since month units means n over 2 bracket 10 plus 1. N means number of months, right? Number of months, right? Then we know it's uh, 12 months divided by 2, 12 plus 1. 6 times 13, answer 78 month units. 78 month units. 78 month units, right? Next for the total interest. Next we have right total interest. Total interest. Total interest equal 100 interest multiplied by 78. Rupees 7,800. Therefore, monthly installment monthly installment is rupees, and this is the loan 60,000 plus this interest divided by 12 months, right? Uh, Rupees 5,000, no? 60,000 divided by 2. 60,000 plus 7,800 divided by 12. Rupees 67,800 divided by 12. An answer 67 divided by 12, 5. 70, 78 divided by 12. We know 7. 5,000, sorry, 6. 6. Because 72 next 40. Uh, 6 divided next 5, 0. 5,650. This is the monthly installment. Right, this is the monthly installment because 67,800 is the total amount. Divide by 12, answer 5,620. Now this is the monthly installment. So that these are the important parts of the answer. Right, okay, complete your note. I think you can understand these parts are very important for the best mark. Right, now marking points. 1 mark for balance. 1 mark for 5,000 rupees. 1 mark for this interest 1 and 1 when we divide it by 12, 1 mark. And 1 mark for, yes, they said 1 mark for 100 and 1 mark for 78. 1 mark for this case and 1 mark for 7,800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1 mark for this one mark for this one mark for this one. Right, okay, complete your note for that. Next we discuss the third question. Next we discuss the fourth question. Right. Okay, complete your note. Yes, Putta, can you understand the question? Yes, sir. Okay. Can you do the fourth one now? Discovery. Hello. Oh, Didula, finish Puta. Shall we discuss the fourth one? Okay. Right. Question number 4. Right. Finish the dule. Okay, Kota, shall we discuss the fourth one? Okay, fourth one. Fourth one. Right. The figure shows the location of four states A, B, C, D on a city plan drawn to scale. Here, right, AC 10. Okay. By considering the angle, find the magnitude of ACD. First, put draw the clear figure. Yes, Puta, what is why they can't join? Uh, okay, Putha, now tell me, try to join now. Tarusha, Didula, now say, tell me to Tarusha, I think now he can join. Intusha, now okay, Putha? Intusha, right. Intusha, are you ready? Hello. Meeting को पहना है फिर होता लिंकिंग क्लिक कर बेलो मम्मी को එතකොට ඔයාලට අර වෙනදට යන්න ටයිම් අර කැලෙන්ඩර් එකට ගිහිල්ලා එතනින් බැරිද කැලෙන්ඩර් එක ඇයි දැන් මම වැඩ කරලා තියෙන්නේ බලන්න මොකද පුළුවන්ද කියලා දැන් දිදුරට ආවා ඉන්දුසත් ආවා කැලෙන්ඩර් එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාගේ යූසර් නේම් පාස්වර්ඩ් ටයිප් කරලා ඔයා ආවද එහෙනම් ඔයාගේ යූසර් නේම් පාස්වර්ඩ් ටයිප් කරලා බලන්න එතකොට තමයි පුළුවන් ඈ හරි right Indusha are you ready Ridula Buddha are you ready to the lesson Indusha right question number 4 right question number 4 uh, AC is 10 AC is 10 meters and AD 9.5 9.4 right by considering the triangle ACD uh, find the magnitude of show that ACD is 70 degrees to the nearest degree. Right, so the now find ACD. ACD, right? This is the opposite side of the angle ACD. This is the hypotenuse. Opposite side of a hypotenuse equal sine theta, sine ACD. Sine ACD equal opposite side of a hypotenuse, right? When we find opposite side is 10 meters, hypotenuse, sorry, opposite side 9.4, hypotenuse 10 equal sine ACD. Then 9.4 divided by 2, 0.9400 equal sine ACD. Now we know the sine table. You can study for the sine table. What is the corresponding angle for sine? This one. It is 70 degrees. So 70 degrees equal ACD. When we use a sine table, we can use this value sine ACD 0.94000. The corresponding angle is 70 degrees. Right, 70 degrees. Right. Part number 2. Right. Part number 2. The bearing of D from C is 242. Bearing of D from C is once the draw the north. Bearing we mark with the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. And this angle 242. 242 degrees. And C is located east of B. East of B. C is located east of B. This from this angle and 90 degrees. Right. In the following calculations, use 70 degrees for the magnitude of ACD. ACD angle 70 degrees. Right. Now, uh, find the magnitude of BCD and AC. BCD. BCD. This angle. Okay, but now we know BCD plus BCD plus right? A BCD angle. Find the value of BCD. Right now you know the full angle is 70 degrees. Right. I think you can find this angle. Right. Now how to find the angle of BCD? Right? Try to write the equation for BCD angle. We know the full angle is 270 degrees, but BCD plus 242 degrees, 270 degrees is full angle 270 because 90 plus 90 plus 90. There are three 90s because this line is a horizontal line. Right, then the full angle is 240, 270. But this angle 242. Then the remaining angle is BCD. BCD equals 270 minus 242. And the 38 degrees. BCD equals 38 degrees. Right. BCD angle equals 38 degrees. Right now, BCD angle equals uh, 270 degrees minus 242, 38 degrees. Right. Next one, find the magnitude of ACB. ACB. Find the magnitude of ACB angle. Right. Uh, right. Tarushita, can you understand how, can you tell me how to find the angle ACB? ACB value? ACB. Yes, Puta, now you know BCD. This angle equal to 38 degrees. BCD angle 38. And ACB value is this, right? ACB angle plus ACB angle plus 38 degrees equals 70 degrees. No? Then ACB angle plus 38 degrees equals 70 degrees. Then ACB angle equals 70 degrees minus 38. Right? Because you know that the angle ACD, the full angle is 70 degrees. But this angle BCD 38. Therefore, the remaining angle equals 70 degrees minus 38 degrees. Right? Then answer uh, 2, 32. Right? Answer 32 degrees. 32 degrees. Right. I think you can understand how to find this angle and this angle. Vidula, can you understand? Indusha, can you understand? Find this.
Yes.
Vidula can understand. Right. Okay, next one. Uh, by considering the triangle ABC and using the trigonometric table, find the length of AB. By considering the triangle ABC. ABC triangle. find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. The AB is the side of a triangle, no? Right. Then we use a right angle triangle for the calculation. Find the length of AB. Right, now we know this angle is 90 degrees, no? This angle is 90 degrees, right? Now study, can you consider this triangle, this angle 90, right? A, B, C, A, B, C. AC length 10 centimeter, AC length 10 centimeter. And you know this angle ACB, ACB is 32 degrees. 32 degrees. Find the length of AB. Right, Buddha. According to the 32 degrees, this AB side is the opposite side. AB side is the opposite side of the 32 degrees, opposite side. And we know adjacent side. Opposite side of adjacent side, tan theta, no? Then opposite side of adjacent side equal tan 32. Then opposite side is AB, adjacent side 10. Equal tan 32. Tan 32. We can check the tan table. Tan table, natural tangents. You can check the answer for the question tan 32. Tan 32 means natural tangent table. What is the value for tan 32? Right. Now you can find the answer using the natural tangents. What is the tan 32? Tan 32 equals now this angle is 28 degrees, no? 270 minus 4 to 28. Then we write 28 plus ACB equals 70. Then answer 42. Right, then this angle is 42. Right, 42. It's a mistake, right? Then 42. Tan 42 equal opposite side over adjacent side. Tan 42. 0.9002. 0.9002 is the tan 42. Then we multiply using the cross product and find the answer. Right? Then AB equals 0.9002 multiplied by 10. Then answer 9.002 centimeters. Then we can find the value of AB using the product of the uh, terms 0.9002 into the 10. Then 0.9002 into the 10 answer 9.002 centimeters. Okay, I think you can understand all the things. This is very easy question because we did this question using the normal geometry. Yes, we know sum of the interior angle of the triangle 180 degrees and sine theta equal opposite side of adjacent hypotenuse. Cos theta equal opposite adjacent side of hypotenuse. Tan theta equal opposite side of adjacent side, like that. These are the basic concepts, right? We can write the answer using the basic concepts, right? Okay, Pudha, now try question number 5. Try question number 5 now. Right. Vidula and Intusha, can you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you learn? Yes, okay. Try question number. Right. Question number 5. First write this note. Next you can write the answer uh, for the question number 5. Question number 5. The following describe how the students and teachers of a school are involved in a tree planning event organized by the school environment society. A total of rupees 16,500 is collected, with each student contributing 150 rupees and each teacher contributing 500 rupees, and 330 saplings were bought with the money. And then of all the distributed to be planted by giving each student 5 saplings and each teacher 2 saplings. By constructing a pair of simultaneous equations and solve them, find the number of students and the number of teachers. Right, Buddha? Now, this question is a question with the simultaneous methods. Hello. Oh. Oh, you are using a password type කරන්න. ඉස්කෝලෙන් දීපු email එක ගන්න ඉස්කෝලේ දීපු එක. ඊට පස්සේ ආගේ password එක. ඒක type කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔව් එහෙම නෙමෙයි. හරි හරි. Right. Right, okay. Next question number 5. Question number 5. Right? The follow right. The total of 16,500 is collected. Each student, right? Student, rupees 150. Teacher, 500. Right? Uh, the total money, rupees 16,500. And 330 saplings were bought with this money. Then all of them are distributed to planted by giving 5 saplings for teacher and 2 saplings each teacher and 5 saplings for student. Right, Pudha? Then 5. Assume the number of students X, number of teachers Y. Number of students X, number of teachers Y. Right? Then 5x plus 2y equals 330 plants, right? Because we know 5 plants for students, 2 plants for teachers. Then 5x is the total number of plants and 2y is the total number of plants. The sum of the two plants equal to the 330. This is equation number 1. Write equation number 1. And total number of money 150x plus 500y equals 16,500. Main number 2. There are two equations now. Right, there are two equations. Right, there are two equations now. Now find the x and y using the two equations. Then these are the simultaneous equations. Indusha, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Now find the x and y values. Right. We know x is 5, this one 150. Right now, how you find x and y? You can do it to the first one multiplied by first one multiplied by we know 1 multiplied by 30 is 150. No? Then 30 times 5, 150x. 30 times 2, 60y. 330 times 30. 3 times 3, 9, 9, double 0, 9,900. When both x values are equal, then now we can subtract. 500 minus yes. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. These two cancel. This one minus this 440y. These two 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 15 minus 9 6. Uh, Again 15 minus 4 4,600. Okay, next one. Y equals 4,600 divided by 44. 440. 0 0 cancel. Okay, now what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Yes, because 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 15 minus 9 6. Then this is 15 minus 9. 6, no, right, not 4, right? 6,600. 6,600, right? 6,600. 6,600 divided by 44. Yes, we can divide both sides by 222. This one 330. 330 divided by 22. Right? Then answer divide by 2 11, divide by 2 11, 22 divided by 11, 2. 33 divided by 30. 30 divided by 2, answer 15. Number of teachers. Number of teachers, 15 teachers. Number of teachers, 15. No? 15 teachers. And we can find it by substituting. Yeah? Right. Then substitute y equal 15 in 1. Substitute y equal 15 in 1. Then 5x plus 2 times 15 equal 330. Then 5x plus 30 equal 330. Then 5x is 330 minus 30. We can find x now. Then 5x equals 300. When we divide both sides by 5, x equals 60. 60 students. Number of teachers, 15 teachers. Number of students, 60 students. Right? Intusha, correct to the answers? Intusha, answers are correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Question
Sir,
number.
मुझे समारोह लावट है.
Okay. Now question number 6. Try question number 6 now. Right. If instead of the above method of distributing the saplings, each student uh, is given P saplings and each student teacher Q saplings, then some saplings will remain undistributed. Write an inequality in terms of P and Q using this information. Right. How do you write the inequality using P and Q? Right. Uh, Q saplings for teacher, P saplings for student, but number of teachers 15, students 60. Right? Then write inequality in terms of P and Q. 15Q plus 60P. Uh, but for the we have a date that the some saplings will remain. Remain. You have a remaining value of saplings, no? Then if you have a remaining value of saplings, you can write this one is a less than or equal to the 330 degrees, but not equal to, right, less than 330 because this side is small than this because we have a remaining amount of saplings here. Then this is the large part, this is the small part, right? This is the inequality. Now try question number 6. Right, question number 6 now. Right, question number 6. Right, question number 6 now. Right, this is the question with the area. The part P obtained by cutting a rectangular metal sheet. The length is 4 meters and width is 2 meters. And also two start straight dash lines are shown in the figure. It's a square. Right, now study. 2 meters and 4 meters and this one next, this one next. Right. This question is related with the quadratic equations, no? Right? Then uh, find the let side length of the piece x. Right. Find an expression in terms of x for the area of the rectangular part labeled Q in the figure. The area of P is twice the area of Q. Right, Buddha. The area of P equal twice the area of Q. Twice the area of Q. Right, area of P equal twice the area of Q. Right. Now, Buddha, find an expression in terms of the area of the rectangular part labeling Q. Right. Q area. What is the area of Q? Question number 1. Area of Q equal length into breadth. This length is 4 meters minus x, no? 4 meters minus x is the length of this figure. With 2 meters minus x. 4 times 2 8. 4 times minus x minus 4x. Minus x into minus 2x plus x squared. 8 minus 4x minus 12, 6x. 6x plus x squared is equal to the area. This is the area of the cube because we can expand the brackets, right? 4 minus x into 2 minus x. Right. Now, the area of P is x into x. This is the second one, the second question. X into x equal to 2 times area of Q. Area of Q, 8 minus 6x plus x squared. Then now x squared equals 16 minus 12x plus 2x. Now change this one. 0 equals 16 minus 12x plus 2x squared minus x squared. 0 equals 16 minus 12x, 2x squared minus x squared, 1x squared. Right now we can verify the answer. You can show the answer like that because we can change x square for the other side and 16 minus 12x, 2x squared minus x squared, 2x squared minus x squared are like terms, no? These are like terms, then answer 1x squared, right? Then answer is 0 equals 16 minus 12x plus x squared. Right. Using the formula or by some other method, show that. Right now you can use formula or some other methods to find the solution for the second one. Right. Try third one. Find the answer in terms of square root of 5. Right. Question number part 3. Now you know Buddha, how to find the answer using the equation method. You know the equation is x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This equation is the equation with the uh, coefficients of the quadratic equation. A, B, C are coefficient of the this uh, this 16 is the constant term. 16 is C, right? And 12 is the coefficient of x, and 1 is the coefficient of x squared. This A, right? Its C value is 16, B value is 12, A value is 1, right? Now x equals minus b value is again minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 squared minus 4 and a value uh, is 1 and c value is 16 over 2a, 2 times 1. Now we can simplify it using the uh, normal calculations. Minus into minus plus 12, right? And plus or minus square root of 12 squared 144 and 4 times 16 minus 64 divided by 2. 2 times 1, 2. Right? Then 12 divided by 2. Answer is we cannot simplify now. Root 144 minus 64. Answer 4 minus 40, 80 divided by 2. We know 80 means for the 16 times 5. Right? We can write the 80 using the product of the square number, right? Divided by 2. Then 12 plus or minus, we know root 16 4. Root 5 over 2. We can write 2 for the common denominator, right? Then 2 divided by 12. 12 divided by 2 6. 4 divided by 2 2. Then answer 6 plus 4 minus 2 root 5. X equals 6 plus or minus 2 root 5. Right now this is the answer. X equals right. Now x equals 6 plus or minus 2 root 5. Right, this is the answer for x. Right, you can solve this question using this equation method. Or you have two methods. First one, equation method. Second one is completing square method. There are two methods to solve the answer. In this case, we use any methods, right? Now 6 plus or minus 2 root 5 is the answer. Next question. Show that the value of 6 plus 2 root 5 is not suitable for x, right? Right now you know the solutions are x equals 6 plus or minus 2 root 5. 6 plus or minus 2 root 5 are the answers, right? Next, what are the solutions? X equals 6 plus 2 root 5, or the next solution x equals 6 minus 2 root 5. Right? Okay, x means the length of the square. Next, x means the length of the square. Right. And we know uh, the length of the figure q. 4 minus 6. Breadth of the figure q. 2 minus 6. These are the values for the length and breadth. Right. First, we consider the positive value of this. If x equals 6 plus 2 root 5, what is the length? Length equals 4 minus 6. Right? Then 4 minus x equals 6 plus 2 root 5. 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay, expand the bracket. 4 minus into plus minus 6 minus into plus minus 2 root 5. 4 minus 6 minus 2 and minus 2 root 5. First, next we consider the common factors. Minus 2 common. Answer plus 1 plus root 5. Because minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into plus minus 2 root 5. This value is a negative value. Length equal to the negative times 2 bracket 1 plus root 5. But normally, we know all the length values are greater than 0. But length greater than 0. Therefore, this value is a negative value. This value is a negative value. But normally, in the general life, we know length greater than 0. Therefore, we cannot agree with the answer because this length equal negative. But normally, all the lengths are positive values, right? Therefore, L equal negative 2 plus 1 root 5 is not suitable. It's not suitable. Therefore, x equal 6 plus 2 root 5. Therefore, x equals 6 plus 2 root 5 is not suitable for the calculation. Because when we substitute x equals 6 plus 2 root 5, answer is length equal negative times value. Right? Then we know negative value is not suitable for the length. Therefore, x is 6 plus 2 root 5 is not suitable for the calculation. Right? Okay. Try to write the substitution and show the answer length equal negative value and write this statement with the correct condition. Because length greater than 0, therefore we cannot agree with the positive value of x. Okay. Right. Then we say x equals 6 plus 2 root 5 is not suitable for x. Right. Therefore, the suitable answer is x equals 6 minus 2 root 5. Right. Last part. Okay, by taking the value of root 5 as 2.42, find the value of this. Right, now we know part number 5. X equals 6 minus 2 root 5. Right, then we use root 5 equal 2.24. Right, this is the data. Next we find the value for x. X equals 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2.24. Multiply 2 times 4, 8, 4.4. Right, 6 means to the 6.00, 4.4. Right, substitute, subtract. 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 4, 1. X equal 1.52. But this is not the complete answer. Write it with the unit 1.52 centimeters. Okay, this is the value for x. Right. Question number 7 of the part number B. Right. The first term of the arithmetic progression is 3 and the 11th term is 43. Arithmetic progression. First term, we know the notation for first term is A. A equal 3. This is first equation. And the 11th term is 43. 11th term is right T11. T11 is A plus n minus 1D. T11 equals 43. This is the second equation. But we can simplify this 11. A equals 3 not 3 plus 11 minus 1. D equals 43. Simplify 3 plus 10D equals 43. Right. These are the data, right? Question number 1. Show that the common difference is 4, right? Solve for D now. We can find D using the third equation. Using third equation, 10D equals 43 minus 3. So 40, then D equals, divide both sides by 10. D equals 4. D equals 4. Find the sum of the first 12 terms of this progression, that is obtained by removing the first term in the even positions of the given progression, such that the second term, fourth term, and sixth term. Find the first 20 terms of the progression. Right now the first term is 3. No? Second term is 3 plus common difference 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 4 19. Like that. But removing the even positions, find the sum of the arithmetic progression such that removing the even positions of the progressions. Even position is second, such the second term, right? What are the even positions? 7, 15 like that. Remove the even positions. Then the new progression is 3, comma 11, comma 19, comma dot dot. Then what is the common difference of the progression? 11 minus 3. Answer 8. And the first term is 3. Then we can find sum of the first 20 terms. Sum of the first 20 terms. Now then we write the equation for sum. Is n equals n over 2 curly bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d equation. Right? Right. Now substitute the values for equation and find S20. S20 equals 20 divided by 2 curly bracket 2 a equal 3 plus 20 minus 1 d. Right, then answer 10 multiplied by 6 plus 19 times 4. 10 multiplied by 6 plus 76. 10 times 82. Answer 820 is the sum of the first 20 terms of this progression. Sum of the first 20 terms is 820. Sorry, the common difference is 8, no? The common difference is 8. Then we now multiply 19 times 8. 19 times 8 through 132, no, yes, 138. 138 times 10, 1380. 162, no, right? 158. 158. Now the 1580. This is the sum of the first 20 terms because 90 times 8, 152, 152 plus 6, 158. 58 times 10, 1580. Right, next one. Question number 7, part B. The common ratio of the geometric progression is 2 and the sum of the first 6 terms is 7. Right, geometric progression R equal to and the first term A equals 6. The common ratio is 2 and the sum of the first 6 terms S6. S6 equals 7. Find the first term, find the first term and find the fifth term. First term is T. We know the general term of the geometric progression Tn equals A r to the power n minus 1. Right. But common ratio is 2. Then we know the sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression, but we know r is greater than 1. Then we write the sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Right? Then S6 equals A 2 to the power 6 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 S6 is sum of the first 6 terms. 7 equals A 2 to the power 6 we know 64. 64 minus 1 over 1. Then 7 equals 63 into 8. Then A equals 7 divided by 63. Then A equals 1 over 9. 1 over 9 because we can divide both sides by 7. And the first term is 1 over 9. Find the fifth term, right? Then T5. Tn equal AR n minus 1. Then T second part T5 equals A equals 1 over 9. Then 2 to the power 5 minus 1. Then as 1 over 9 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. We know 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 over 9. After 16 over 9. 16 over 9 we can simplify 9, 1, 7. 1, 7 over 9. This is the sum of fifth term of the progression. Fifth term of the progression is T5, 1, 7 over 9. Right. Okay, now I think you can complete the answers for question number 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. Question number 8 is a construction. Question number 9 is a geometry part with the angles in a circle. Question number 10 is a it's related with the parallelograms. Question number 11 is volume. Question number 12 sets. Right, I think you can do all the parts and think about the writing pattern of the question and think about the data of the question and try to write the better answer. You can check the marking schemes on the papers and uh, study the writing pattern of the answers. Okay, Pudha. I think you can complete the remaining parts now. Practice the writing patterns and study how to write the better answers. Okay, good luck. Have a nice day.